New Cut Road, and we are so happy to have them back on the mountain stage. Please welcome Russell Moore.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has extended the flash flood warning for Berkeley County in southeastern South Carolina, Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, Dorchester County in southeastern South Carolina until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated rain was quickly ending across the North Charleston area. Emergency officials and local media report flash flooding is still ongoing with some road closures. Water was reported to be in some homes. While additional flash flooding is unlikely in the near term, hazardous conditions continue. Another area of showers and thunderstorms northwest of Walterboro could move into the area later this evening. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include North Charleston, Somerville, Goose Creek, Hanahan, the Interstate 26, Interstate 526 interchange, Naval Weapons Station Charleston, Lamson, Daniel Island, Charleston Airport, and Magnolia Gardens. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 206 and 214. Interstate 526 between mile markers 18 and 21. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Report flooding directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 or email your reports to